You can see how dry this place is, but from here down to this part is full of sweat. Okay, so guys, a little update. I bought this belt from from Wish. It arrived today, so I wanted to test it out. That's why I'm showing you. So far so good. I love it. Like, I love it. I don't have any complaint with this belt. Like I said, I bought it from Wish. Just type this in the search bar and you will see it. I don't have any link. Please don't ask me for link. I don't have a link to this. Just type in this and you will see a lot of them there. Then you can choose the one you want to buy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, I'm not in a very good mood today because I don't even know where to start from. But if you watched my previous video, my 7 days fast, at the end of the video you guys saw that I was weighing 95 point something kg. So after that video, I was still consistent with my workout routines, to be honest. But I think 3 days ago, okay, last week, 3 days last week, I didn't work out, and I was eating and I was not working it out of my body. So I weighed myself, and okay, after the video, the weight didn't go down. It kept on increasing. In fact, some days it would just still be at a point, at a particular kg, and I was tired. I was like, why is the scale not moving? But when I look at my body, I feel light, I feel a bit snatched, if you know what I mean. But the scale isn't proving it, though I don't trust the scale 100%. But there's this type of joy you feel when you mount on the scale and the numbers are dropping day by day. But in my own case, for the past 2 weeks now, it hasn't been so. The thing just stopped at a point, and even today I've weighed myself and I showed it. I will still show you guys the clip. I weighed myself and I am at 98.0 kg after 2 weeks of that fast. So I said, okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be going on a 2 weeks challenge again, and this time around it's going to be a jump rope, 2 weeks jump rope. So I'm going to jump rope for 2 weeks to see if I'm going to drop more kilograms. Yeah, I'll just basically weigh myself, show you my body as always. Like, I'm not even happy at all. You can tell I'm not happy, but it is what it is. Okay, so we are going to go do this together. If you find this video helpful or motivative enough, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's hit it. Okay.
Alright guys, so this is day 1, and over here I'm trying to show you the type of jump rope I use the one that counts, so that way I don't have to be worried about losing counts and all of that, you know. So I set it to 000, and then I did 1000 jump rope on this particular day because I guess I wasn't that motivated or inspired to do any kind of exercise, but I had to do it. Okay, because this is a challenge, and I also incorporated some other types of exercises. I didn't just do the jump rope and stopped. And as the days goes by, I did work my way up to 4000 jump rope, and I think that was the maximum I did. And this is day 2. I'm going to turn on my Spotify music, and yeah, this is what I'm going to be using throughout the workouts, because I find out that if I turn on the music, it kind of keeps me going, you know. So this is the jump rope again. Whenever I want to start, I just set it to 0 and once I jump to 1000, it goes back to 0 and then I start again. And here I'm showing you my sweat belt, which I showed you earlier from the beginning of this video.
Hey.
So that's it for the warm-up. Now it's time for the jump rope, and as usual, after the jump rope I do the other types of exercises like the arms exercise, squatting and others. I know some of you don't like seeing me working out in a skirt, but guys, see, when I'm off camera, I wear something that makes me feel more comfortable doing the workout or the exercise. But for the purpose of the video, we got to wear the skirt. So you have to bear with me. I don't even need to beg you. This is my choice. This is what I want to wear for you guys. So if you like me, you must like what I wear. Now I'm joking. Let's be serious. Yeah. So baby girl just woke up. She needed to eat. I had to feed her. Then after feeding her, I went back to my workout.
Hey guys, look at the way I'm sweating. I'm sweating really bad today. My back is filled with sweat. I don't know if you can see it though, but like I'm burning inside. I did 1003 today, so I'm happy. Like I feel very light. Whenever I'm done with jumping rope, I feel lighter than when I started, you know. Before I start, I feel heavy, but once I'm done, I feel lighter. Like seriously, right now I feel very light. So I'm going to hop into the shower, take my shower and cool down. Yeah, one thing I forgot to mention earlier in this video is whenever you want to do any form of exercise, try and warm up before you start, and then once you're done, try and stretch. Okay, it's going to help you a lot with pains, ankle pains, and you know, all of that. So I just wanted to put that out there.
And this is me on day 3, turning on my music again, warming up and all that good stuff. Atinelo Keke, this is your slogan. So I'm just going to warm up before I start, and then I am not going to keep recording. I only recorded just for day 1, day 2. Did I say day 3? No, this is actually on day 7. Yeah, I remember so well. This is day 7, not day 3. So I filmed on day 1, filmed on day 2, and then filmed on day 7, and I stopped because I didn't feel like filming or repeating what you already know or what you've already seen. So I didn't find it necessary, so I had to stop recording. And then yeah, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, and make sure you stay tuned because we are going to see the results now. You want to see how much weight I lost and the measurements and all of that. So keep watching, don't go nowhere. Like, I am actually pleasantly surprised at my results in 2 weeks just doing the jump rope and little other exercises. Like, I was really impressed, I must say. Also, I know you might be wondering what I ate throughout the whole week or the 2 weeks. Yeah, I didn't do any strict diet at all. Like, some days I ate my 1 meal a day, some days I ate twice, some days I even ate 3 times, but not like huge meals. I did keep it as moderate as possible. So just to let you know that I didn't go on a diet. No, I just ate whatever I wanted to eat, but I also make sure I keep it in little portions. Yay! It's the results day, and this is my before. My waist was 48.5 inches. My belly area was 51.5 inches, as you can see there. And then my after, which is on day 14. Actually, that was on the day 1, and this is day 14, and my waist is 47.5, and my belly area is 50. Like, you guys, I'm surprised, I'm amazed. I'm happy at the same time. And the scale was weighing 98 kg on day 1, and then on day 14 I weighed 94.8 kg. Like, I lost nearly 4 kg. And this is my before and after physical appearance. I must say there's nothing really much, but you can see that the top fits better on day 14 than how it fits on day 1. Yeah, so I hope this video motivates you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We've come to the end of this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.